is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Poorva, and if you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload the new video. So in today's video, I will be showing you the recipe, a very tasty recipe of how to make the peanut salad. It's pure vegetarian and this is a yummy salad which you can make whenever you feel hungry, and this is also a very high in protein salad. So for that, first of all, you need to take soaked almonds. You can soak it overnight and take some soaked almonds. So you can take some 6 to 7 pieces and as per your wish. Then take some peanuts. So I'm taking this crunchy peanuts from. So here we have almonds and peanuts. Then take some pomegranate, some anar seeds. So take some anar seeds as per your wish and liking. So I like anar, so I'm taking a little more of anar. Then take some green chili. So I'm taking, I like the salads to be a little spicy, so I'm taking a little more green chili. Then you need to put some coriander. I like coriander as well, so I'm taking some coriander. So mix some coriander well. Then you have to take the coconut. This is not a desiccated one. This is the shredded coconut. So take this coconut. So I even like the coconut. So basically I like all the ingredients in this salad. One more spoon of coconut here. Then finally I am adding some lime juice into the salad. So this is the lime juice of half a lemon. So I'm adding this lime juice, and finally you need to add a little bit of salt. So I'm adding little salt in the salad. You can take kala namak as well. So you can take kala namak as well. I'm taking the white salt. You can take rock salt as well, or having a fast you can take the senda namak as well, जो कि हम fast में खाते हैं. So I have placed all my ingredients in my salad, and now I'm mixing the salad well. So the combination of almond and peanuts is so amazing, guys, and this salad is very rich in protein. This is a very high in protein salad, and this is very easy to make, and you will definitely love it. It is ready to get served. So I'm taking some of the salad in the plate. I'm ready to taste it, and let me taste the salad. And it is really yummy. The combination of almonds, peanuts and pomegranate is superb. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do share, like and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for further videos. Till we meet next time, stay healthy and stay blessed. Bye.